my skin, so I'm just going to start with the eyes. We're going to use this medium mauve tone, and I'm going to go right in on the crease area, and I'm using a fluffy brush just to blend everything out. I'm going in windshield wiper motions just to blend everything seamlessly. Now we're going to use this darker mauve tone. It's kind of like a purple. I'm going to put this more on the crease and the end of my eye just to create more of that sultry look. We're going to take 2 of those colors and apply right on the bottom lash line. This will create more focus to my eye. Now we're going to take some setting spray and spray the brush, apply a more pinky tone. This is kind of like a shimmery pink. I'm putting it right on the lid and I'm just patting it into the skin. Now we're taking this black tone and I'm going to apply more on the edge of my eye. We kind of want this smoky look, so I'm just going to apply a little bit at a time and build that color up and apply at the bottom lash line as well. Now we're going to take this eyeliner, and it's a liquid liner and waterproof, and I'm just making that wing first and applying towards the front, and when I have less product I'm just going to apply more towards the end and extend out this wing. Some on my face, so I'm gonna do the other one, and you got the second one now. And now I'm gonna take my baby lips, moisturize those lips. Now I'm taking my half red lip liner. I'm gonna apply this right on my line. I'm gonna go right under that lip line so I don't overdraw. Top lips are a little uneven, so I will have to overdraw some parts. Now I'm taking my Viva Glam 2 lipstick. I'm going to apply this right on the center of my lips. This is to create an ombre look and give me more of that pouty look. Looking like I could kiss my man. Now I got my Blush Baby blush, and I'm going to apply right on the cheekbones. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush just to create a natural flush on the cheekbone. I'm not applying too much blush. Now we're taking our Pretty Vulgar highlight, and I'm putting this right on my cheekbone, and look at that pop. Now I'm going to put this right under the eyebrow to help my eyeshadow stand out more and over the brow. And I'm kind of going in a curving motion just to create a natural curve on my face. Now I'm applying some on my nose and using the brush to bring it up on the bridge, and some on the cupid's bow. And spray your face, make sure it's set, and bam, we got some lashes on, so we look real cute now. But you can't forget those bottom eyelashes, so I'm using my lash mascara and I'm putting this on the bottom lashes because I have none. And there you go. We got this cute mauve look going on, perfect for the springtime, spring babe vibes. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll come up with another video soon.